been a long time since we've seen each other. So today, actually, we're gonna talk about quite a number of things. Okay, first of all, sorry for the noise in the background. It's kind of raining here actually, but since it's been a long time, I haven't made another video for the channel, so I had to make one today for you guys, since it's also a very good time for us right now. So first of all, guys, if you remember, we're gonna start with the first trade. With the first thing that we talk about in the first video. I think that was the analysis, the breakdown on USDJPY. So I think it was 3 weeks ago, something like that. So actually, I kind of deleted the whole setup, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put like a clip, like a video clip. Since I don't know how it came about. I didn't save any screenshot of the setup, but I'm gonna put a clip of the video that I did on the USDJPY, because actually it went on to touch our target. Price came all the way down. Okay, created a support here. This is number one. As you can see, I drew some lines. So also we got GBPNZD, that if you follow us on our different social medias like Telegram or Instagram or Facebook, you would have seen that we gave some analysis on GBPNZD and some other pairs. Okay, so actually I'm gonna show you a screenshot of the GBPNZD, which is this one right here. And so this is where we enter the trade right here. Okay, and I think right now we are about somewhere here. Okay, exactly at 1.94. We are somewhere here. Okay, guys, so our trade went into a great distance right now, so I think we reached somewhere here. So just to say that on GBPNZD right now we are on a good path. Great, that was all I wanted to say for now. Yeah, so it's been 2 minutes. I don't know if I can see. Okay, so here we are again with the GBPNZD. Okay, so we're gonna break down just a couple of pairs. Okay, this is our bonus for today. So first of all, from the monthly chart, this is what we have. Uptrend. Okay, we can see prices going up. Okay, and right now the monthly candle is bullish. Okay, we have a support here. Okay, what can I put? As you can see, we have a support right here, monthly support. Okay, price actually created a double bottom. So what we're actually trying to do is wait for price somewhere around here. Okay, but I think on the lower time frames there's a pullback. If you want to see on the weekly chart, okay, yeah, you can see there's a pattern on the way. So actually we're waiting for price either here or here. Okay, so like I said, actually waiting for price here, sorry, okay, here, okay, either here or here, right here. Okay, but anyway, it doesn't matter for now. Like I said, on the lower time frame we're kind of having a retracement. Let's go on the daily chart and see. Yeah, actually price still hasn't closed below our moving average. Okay, so yeah, here we are right now, and actually we kind of I kind of think like we're gonna see a move just like this one. Okay, like okay, here the thing. So I'm gonna use the bars button to show you how I think this move can happen. Okay, sorry. Okay, yep, so actually this is what I think we're gonna get, something pretty much like this. Okay, similar to this move. Okay, so we're actually gonna have a retracement pullback, okay, to this level right here, and then we can continue straight up to the 198,700. Okay, Now great. So right now we are also on the daily chart. As you can see, we are in a bullish uptrend. Okay, so price is still bullish, guys. Price is still bullish. So we're not thinking bearish right now, apart from this retracement. But after this retracement, we're gonna have to go back to the upside. Okay, um, so I didn't really want to do some lower uh, how do I say, some lower analysis. But as you can see, guys, on the 4-hour chart, in also in the bullish channel, price crossed below our moving average, so this is indicating that we are going downwards. Also, as you can see, the RSI is around 50. Yeah, so we can expect a move down to this level, or this support, this resistance, sorry, this resistance right here. Price can try and make a support and then move back upwards. Okay, so this is it for GBPNZD. So we are currently on a retracement. So yeah, not because price is bullish all the way that you want to trade only bullish. Okay, you can also trade retracements or pullbacks if you have the experience, or if you have the knowledge required to do these kind of trades. So quickly we're gonna go to the USDJPY, okay, monthly chart. So on the monthly chart, USDJPY, we had a resistance here, support, comes back, goes back to the resistance. Okay, and from here, this is a situation that I've seen before, and for me, and also based on my experience, on my knowledge, I think price is, sorry for all this mess on it, I think price is actually going to as you can see, price crossed the below the 50, okay, on the RSI. So actually it also crossed my moving average. Yeah, as you can see here, price crossed my moving average. So what I think is gonna happen is either price comes down to this support or goes to this resistance before it comes back down, but we're gonna check that on the lower time frames. Quickly on the weekly chart, okay, so as you can see on the weekly chart, guys, we had this beautiful move right here, and almost the same move repeated itself right here. Okay, so what I'm expecting is for price to come to this touch this resistance at the upper channel, upper trend, sorry. Okay, I expect price to come touch this resistance, okay, and pull back down, come and touch the support, and maybe why not break, pull back, and then go all the way down to the support right here at around 70. Okay, so this is what I expect price to do on the weekly chart. And yeah, so quickly on the daily, sorry, I'm back on the daily. So as you can see here, price kind of like crossed our moving average, and before that I want to talk about this Elliott wave cycle. So you got 1 2 3 4 5 A B C D E, and price clearly and very well reacted to this Elliott wave cycle, and price went all the way down. Right now it's kind of like at a double yeah, double bottom, yeah, double bottom, sorry, I'm kind of like stuck between double bottom and double top. So double bottom right here. So what we're expecting, guys, as you can see, moving average, the moving average was crossed with a very good, beautiful candle going upwards. And yeah, so actually this is kind of a pullback on the moving average, and we should expect price to go back up. So as you can see, I put here 106.43 and 106.5335. So these are actually entry points. Don't ever chase price, guys. Don't ever chase price. Remember, you should always have a very good entry point. So these are our entry point. Okay, and uh yeah, so actually this is today's Monday. We kind of have a market opening session, so we have a gap. So actually we're gonna have to continue upwards. So price, like I said, guys, it crossed our moving average going upwards, so we're gonna have to go upwards with this one. At least our target is gonna be right up here. So if I should enter this trade, guys, I would enter it right here. Okay, oops, okay, I have my stop loss somewhere here. It depends. Okay, guys, it depends. Some people would have to put it on the support, but I also consider this one as a beautiful support level, and then put my take profits right up here. Okay, a beautiful 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Yeah, anyway, so I'd like to go back to the monthly support, sorry, the monthly time frame. I'm kind of in a hurry, guys, so if you hear me just bugging, forgive me on that. Yeah, so yeah, on the monthly time frame, like I said, guys, you see price makes a very beautiful move, so we're expecting price to go up and touch this upper upper trend, come back down to touch this lower trend. And since price is coming from the from upstairs, just take it like that. I like to call it like that. Just since price is coming from the up, it has to go, see, and it's in the channel also. So if you know very well um your chart patterns, it's gonna have to go back down to, like I say, this support right here. Okay, because price already touched one, two. He has to make a second one, go back third one, and maybe come back to touch it, another third one. So this is for USDJPY, guys. We are going long on this one. Like I said, GBPNZD, I think we're going short. Yep. No, I think we're going long on this one. I don't remember. Yep, we were going to trade the pullback here before going back long. So this is kind of a short. Yeah. So quickly on the NZD USD, yep, yeah, on the monthly time frame. Okay, beautiful. So price, as you can see on the monthly time frame, price is in a very beautiful and precise uptrend. uh, Again, forgive me, guys, for the noise behind. Like I said in the beginning, it's raining over here, so yeah, don't pay attention to that. Hope you can hear me clearly. So price is in a bullish trend right now. Okay, so we have points like 1, 2, 3 here, also 1, 2, your fake breakout comes back 3. So right now I think we have bigger resistance here, bigger support, weekly support right here, and a weekly resistance. Okay, so like you seen, guys, we have this very beautiful uptrend. We also have, if you can see here, you have a descending channel. Okay, so uh actually drew that because I thought price was gonna come back. Since it's in a descending channel, it was gonna come back down to this support, okay, before going back upward. But since we are in a bullish trend, remember, guys, you have to look from the bigger picture. That's why I always start my analysis from the monthly time frame. So we're gonna go down. We don't know what the price is gonna come down here, or maybe if it's kind of creating a double top to come to this resistance or this resistance right here. But we're gonna go to the weekly chart quickly and see how we can, interpret this. Yeah, so as you can see, we are kind of bearish. Yeah, we're kind of bearish on the lower time frame, which is the weekly time frame. We are kind of bearish. Okay, guys, so right now we are at a support level right here at 0.62, almost 0.63. Yep. And okay, so like I said, guys, let me check the RSI is at 34, almost oversold. So right now, what I think, guys, is you might want to go short. Okay, you might want to go short. If I should base my analysis only on the weekly chart, you might want to go short on, sorry, we're gonna go short on this one here, because as you can see, we are also having a lower channel here. Okay, so price is currently here right now. So before we can talk about a move upwards, price has to come down to the very top bottom of this channel, okay, which is right here. So we still have about okay, yeah, pretty volatile, about 228 pips to go down before we can talk about the price going back up. But anything can happen at this point, guys. It can also go upwards to touch this resistance. Since we already had this point right here, price is already on the how do I say it, on this weekly support right here. So let's go down to the daily, and we can shape our analysis. Okay, so as you can see on the daily, RSI is already oversold, pretty much oversold. So yeah guys, this is it. I think this is the deciding moment. We are kind of, yeah, I prefer telling you guys to go long on this one. Yeah, even though price still hasn't closed above our moving average right here. So remember, if price still hasn't closed above your moving average, you are still continuing on the predominant trend. Okay, so the predominant trend right here is the bearish trend. So we are still bearish, okay, until price touches this support right here before we can talk about a long opportunity. So we are bearish on the NZD USD right now. Yep, so I think there's about, like I said, 200 and almost, yes, 200 something pips to take on this one. Like quickly to the EURNZD now. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish my analysis with the EURNZD. As you can see guys, it's a pretty volatile pair, much volatile pair between the cross pairs after GBPNZD. So we can see here price is in a descending channel, kind of sorry, it's in an uptrend. Am I mistaken on here? Okay, yeah, it's in a descending trend line. It's a descending channel, sorry. So right now we are here, okay, and since price touch support resistance, so actually kind of looking forward for price to go now and touch a very beautiful support before we can talk about a long opportunity. So we're gonna see this from a closer eye on the weekly chart. So as you can see here guys, my chart is pretty much messed up because I drew a lot of um, trends. Sorry, sorry for that. So as you can see, price, I don't have much time. Sorry, so I'm going faster. As you can see, um, price right here, it's actually touched a the upside of this trend. Okay, also it kind of like touch the of this trend, so we are going to look for a short opportunity to this level or maybe even this level right here. So um let's go down to the sorry, let's go down to the daily quickly. I've got 1 minute 2 minutes left. So yeah, quickly to the daily. As you can see, price came support resistance. Right now we are kind of looking now for the short opportunity, like I told you guys, to either this support or even this support right here. But also you can see price still hasn't, is shy of closing below our moving average right here. Also I drew a trend line for price to cross below, which you can see price crossed below, but also since we are in an opening session, we are kind of had a gap. But I'm not worried about this one. I'm positive it's gonna, crash down to this level at least. And let's go quickly down to the 4 hour chart. So yeah, like I told you guys, I kind of like drew a trend to be sure that when price breaks, we're gonna still go to the support, okay, to the weekly support. So as you can see, price actually crossed below our moving average, and this is kind of like a pullback. So after that, we can expect price to go down. So on EURNZD guys, we are short. So sorry if I'm in a hurry, but I hope you guys understood something here. I'm gonna include the screenshots and the targets, the stop losses, and or entry points in the on our different social medias on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And yeah, so this is it guys for today. Thank you for being with us. As always, it's Samuel Smith from White Forex. So don't forget to subscribe and like, and yeah, God bless. See you guys another time.